welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. This is like a day in my life, get fit with me edition, because now when the whole world is in quarantine and lockdown, there's not much to do other than focus on yourself, and that's what I've been trying to do, like get more fit, eat more healthy, take more care of my body because I've got more time for that, and honestly it's quite fun when you start getting really into it. I have been working out more during quarantine. I've been trying to go on like a run once or twice a week. I've been trying to do some yoga with my friends because that's really fun, and I haven't really done a lot of yoga before, but I do really enjoy it. And I also try and do a few like little non-equipment workouts on mats occasionally. Sorry about the lighting in here. I'm in a hostel room in Australia. So I just had breakfast, and every day for breakfast we get free breakfast here. So I normally eat 2 eggs with some ketchup on either a slice of toast, or I get these 2 like quinoa crackers and put it on with some butter, and it's really nice and it keeps me full for a while. I'm about to go do a workout, but I just want to mention that this video is kindly sponsored by this app called FlatTummy App. And now hold on, I actually turned this app down first before looking into it because of its name. I don't agree with the name. Like, I don't think it should be like, oh, I'm just working out because I want to get a flat tummy like all of these Instagram models, because no one actually really does have a flat tummy, and it's kind of an unrealistic goal for many people, like for most people. So I just want to say I don't stand by the name, but other than that, this app is really good for motivation and reaching your goals at home. Like, you don't need any equipment. It has over 450 workouts. They're all 30 minutes or less, so they're really good if you're on a tight schedule. You can slip them in your everyday life. They've also got like meal plan. You can put your diet in if you're a vegetarian, vegan, keto. They can help you with that depending on what goals you want to reach, like if you want to gain muscle. And on the app they have over 750 delicious recipes. I've been scrolling through it, and because I want to make a recipe for this video, I've been like, I don't know what to pick from because there's so many tasty recipes, and they're really in-depth. Like, they show exactly what to do, and also the workouts too. There's like little videos that you can follow, so that is perfect. And all the challenges on the app have different levels, so they've got beginner, intermediate and advanced, which is really good. So this app does have a 7-day free trial, so you should try that out if you want to. This is the workout challenges they got. So they have full body, core, squat, lower body and upper body. In a minute, Tanya and I are gonna go do a little workout. We're gonna try out this app. We're gonna go outside on our little yoga mat, so I'm gonna bring you along with that. I don't know which one we're gonna pick. I will let you know. I'm actually really excited to try this app out, and like the recipes, they've got lots of nice snack recipes as well. I did one yesterday. I did like banana oatmeal peanut butter balls, and I just put it in a blender and blended it up, and then I dipped them in some melted chocolate. I posted it on my Instagram story. It was delicious and really healthy and quite filling, so that was nice. So they've got like day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and then they've got day 5 rest day, and that is for 30 days. So if you want to do that, you can. Obviously I won't be doing this every day. Like, I probably won't be following this. I'll just be doing it on the days where I feel like working out, because I just want to let you know, like, I'm not doing this to lose weight or anything like that. I'm quite satisfied and happy with my body, and I just want to take care of my body, kind of get more fit. Like, I hadn't been working out since I got to Australia, so I was very unfit, and I had been eating unhealthy, like drinking, so I feel like my body really needed this. But yeah, let's just get into the video. I will take you along with me. Follow my socials if you haven't already on the screen. So we found our little spot. This is where we normally go for yoga. I've got my water, it's important to stay hydrated, and my little yoga mat. We're gonna start out with the full body challenge, and I'm gonna choose intermediate. So we'll start on day 1. So it shows you beforehand everything you're gonna do. 25 reps, 8 reps. So start workout.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
the full body day 1 challenge, and it definitely got a sweat up. I feel like we were doing it for like 10 minutes, so it was really quick. So now you could definitely add another one if you want to do squats, if you want to do abs, lower body. This one was mainly targeting arms, I feel like, because it was a lot of push-ups, but it got me sweaty, so I feel like it's also whole body kind of. I want to try and do another one. So this is how it looks now. We've done day 1. Day 2 would be tomorrow if I want to do that. What do you want to do? Core, squat?
Core maybe?
Yeah? So now we're going to try the core. Should we do intermediate again?
Yeah.
So far so good. Good like tutorial, easy to understand the app. Doing a little food shop so I can make one of the recipes. So I got sesame oil, carrots, tofu. So now Tanya and I are going to make a post-workout smoothie bowl. So we're going to have some banana. They're not frozen yet. We tried to freeze them in. They're not frozen yet, but they're cold. And then we're going to have some mixed berries and some oat milk.
I have some spirulina.
Some spirulina. Okay, I'll pour this in. Oh my god, it's a lot. Oh, you made that oat milk?
Yes.
Oh my god. She made her own oat milk. Wow.
Shit, you should put me in your vlogs, your price will go up.
Oh. Banana, oat milk, spirulina. Gonna add some chia seed and this muesli. Wow, look at that. Masterpiece. So we just sat outside eating our smoothie bowl. It was so good. We put a little bit of peanut butter in it as well. And now I've changed and Clara and I are going to go for a walk. We might end up on the beach, hence why I got my bikini on. The time is now 2:20. So because I had quite a filling breakfast and then after the workout I had the smoothie bowl, which was kind of like lunch-ish, I'll probably wait to eat until like around dinner time, probably have like an early dinner. And I'm gonna use a recipe from the app, and I might make some snacks from the app with some dates. I will show you guys later, but yeah. As of now, just going to the beach for a little walk. So we never ended up taking a walk to the beach. We just chilled watching TV, and now I decided I want to make a snack. It is 35 minutes past 3. I'm getting a little peckish. So I want to make these no-bake mint chocolate protein bars, but I'm minus the protein and the chocolate. No, minus the protein and the mint, because I don't have any protein powder, and I think you can make them just as nice without the protein powder. This is how they look. So I'm gonna head to the kitchen and get started. So I've never made this before, but this is what you need. You need cacao powder, a cup of dates, you need a cup of nuts. I'm gonna mix all these together. Tanya's letting me borrow these pine nuts and then mixed, and then I'm using oat milk and sea salt, but I've got normal salt. And if you want to make exactly like they're doing, then you need peppermint extract and protein powder, but I'm gonna skip that. So 1, place dates in food processor and process until pea-like consistency is reached. I'm guessing this is about a cup. I'm guessing this is like a cup. I guess you can add what you want, like I'll probably add some peanut butter to that as well. mixture of nuts in. I'm gonna add a little bit of peanut butter, like that much. 1/4 cup of cacao powder. I don't know. I'm just guessing.
How's it going?
I don't know. It's really hard to blend. Just a little bit of salt. It's not blending. So now I'm just going to pop this in the freezer for 15 minutes. So it's currently like 10 to 5. Just had my second coffee of the day. I had a coffee this morning as well, and I had another coffee with oat milk. And we're going to do a little sunset walk because we didn't go to the beach earlier. I'm wearing my glasses so I can see something. So I just had a shower, which is why my hair looks like this. And it's 20 to 7, and now we're going to start cooking. So I decided I'm going to make the sesame honey tofu quinoa bowl. Quinoa, I know it's called quinoa, but in Sweden we say quinoa, so that's why I mix it up sometimes. And it says preparation time 30 minutes. And when you click on it, it's really specific. Like, it tells you everything, like how much protein in it, how much fat, how many carbs, and how many calories, and exactly how to do it, and the ingredients and measurements. I don't know. I'm not going to do it exactly how they say. Like, I'm not going to have the sesame seeds, for example. It's really clear, so that's what we're going to do now. This is what we need.
What are you making?
This is a sesame honey tofu quinoa bowl. Okay, this is going to be a carrot slaw. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm going to try add some of this. I don't know how that's going to go. You're supposed to use rice vinegar. I'm just adding a little bit because it smells very scary. Ooh. This is the quinoa cooking. Okay, so wait for this to brown. I'm gonna make the sauce for the tofu. 2 tablespoons of honey I'm gonna do. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is gonna be added to the tofu.
What are these measurements you're spilling out?
2 tablespoons of water now. So now I'm putting 1 teaspoon of corn flour in. Like that. So now I'm just gonna add this to the tofu, and we're adding some halloumi as well. Put a little bit more honey. Okay. The pan is being really annoying. Oh shit. What's MasterChef Emma making today?
I put too much onion in, but it's okay.
Too much onion? You cannot have too much onion.
Saute down every time.
Saute, ooh. And we've got some chopped up spring onions to top it with. The quinoa is ready, and so is the tofu and halloumi. Yummy. Did I film it? We put some cheese on top. Okay, let's try it. This is really good. Oh my god, that sauce. Hi, so it is the next day, and today Clara and I are going to walk to Pack Fair. It's a nice, quite a long walk. The weather's not too hot, but it doesn't look too cold. It is 20 past 10 in the morning. Just had breakfast. Yeah, I'm wearing my little workout trousers, so that's what's gonna happen. I just thought I'd finish this vlog today because I still need to try out the date brownie that I made yesterday, because I was just too full after that big bowl of honey sesame tofu, but it was so good. We just got some Boost. Yum. Gonna sit here and drink my Boost. Oh, it's beautiful. And Clara didn't get any breakfast, so she got this from the coffee club. Oh my god, that looks so good. And avocado. I went to Levisa's and I got this ring, don't mind my name. It was $30, and then I got this snake necklace. It was on sale for only $9. It doesn't look the best with what I'm wearing right now, but whatever. This is the cake. It's been in the freezer for a while. I'm gonna have it with some berries. It was really good with the berries, but it was kind of like gooey, but I think I put too much milk in it. I made another iced coffee with oat milk, and I'm gonna eat this. And the app, I forgot to mention this, has this like community. Yeah, it has this community, and there's like blogs on there. So here it's got 6 life hacks to thrive during quarantine. And it's just like social media, like you can post things, ask for recommendations, help, like pasta food ideas someone's wrote, and then people like comment on it and just like motivate each other, which I think is really cool. So I just wanted to mention that. So our walk to Pack Fair was really nice, the weather was warm, and that cake was so good. I really want to make it again. The only part was that it was so hard to blend in the blender that we have at the hostel because it's really shit. But if I had a proper food processor, I'd be making that all the time. The berries really like complemented the dates because it's like sweet and sour. So good. Overall, I really like that app. Like, it's great for finding new recipes and workouts. I really recommend it. Try the 7-day free trial out. You can cancel it whenever you like. Yeah, I will leave the link down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more of these like workout, eating, cooking, baking videos, do let me know. Follow my socials, leave video requests down below. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.